Hello friend, today we are going to learn 7.0 new feature of C#. So the first feature is inline out variable. So now you can declare the out variable in the argument list of a method call rather than writing a separate declaration statement. So what does it mean? So let's understand it through code. So I have created here one class called validation and student service and student models. So just trying to replicate the real life scenario. So in most of the project, like we are validating the data we received from the UI. So here also, like I'm receiving name and age, and I'm just validating age, whether it's proper or not. If it is valid, just calling this service to add the data to the table. Okay, so here you can see one thing, like while validating I'm using try parse. If it is failing, I'm throwing null exception. With pass, I'm returning the age. Okay, so let's see if I pass the proper value, what is the output. Okay, so if you pass the proper value, we are seeing successfully saved. Fine. So now we are going to modify this code. This code is written in old way, and we are going to use all C# 7.0 features to update this code into new version. So the first one saying inline out variable. So you can see the old way what we are converting this string age to integer in using try parse. So instead of writing like this, we don't have to declare it outside. We can do the declaration here itself. You can see. Okay, so like that we can declare it here itself. Also, one more important point is, because the compiler already know that you are converting to the integral value, so here instead of specifying a particular type, you can give var also. That also will work. Now let's see whether it's working or not. Build is succeeded and it's working fine. So this is the first feature, inline out variable.